Hi, my good people. My name's Lily. People call me Angel. And you know, I've been trying to start my little channel. I love food, so this is perfect for me. But yeah, we're gonna start. Look, I get my idea from Bloveslife and her family and Miss Casey Connector. But yeah, so I'm gonna start. I got a Slawdog, some fried shrimp, and some egg rolls. I know this is not healthy, but this is what I was dreaming about last night. So this is what I wanted. So let me say my grace. Amen. I keep my paper towels right here. But anyways, oh, and I have some sweet tea. This is some sweet and sour sauce and some tartar sauce. But I've really been learning about this Slawdog with onions, mustard, and ketchup. I was gonna put some bacon and cheese on it, but I already have so much fried food. I'm like, that might be a little bit too much. So, yeah, here we go. I hope everything is ready. I love food. I'm surprised I'm not bigger than I am. I did get a little thick one time. But after we had our house fire, living in that hotel stressed the hell out of me. And not being able to eat and cook like I want. Eat not every day. I like food in the house. I like to cook. I like outdoor food too. I mean, like restaurant food, but you be wanting those home cooked meals. I love cooking oxtails, collard greens, mac and cheese, rice, baked chicken, or whatever. You know, stuff like that. I like to eat. Chicken, egg roll. Turn my camera back a little bit. Got my phone. This is some stuff I had in the freezer already, like the breaded shrimp and the egg rolls. We're never without food here. Never without food. And I love, love, love seafood boil. I usually do blue crabs. Then I started doing the snow crabs. And just recently, I tried the king crab. Oh my God. I love the king crab. Look, I keep putting my hand in my mouth because I don't want you to see me chewing my food in my mouth. I read the comments y'all leave on people's channels. Y'all are not very nice, are you? But, yeah. I'm tired of talking about R. Kelly. I'm like Master P now. Especially y'all pops. When they got my child. I would have been on the news. It would have been CNN. News for Jacks. Action News Jacks. Or something. When we've been on a Lifetime reality show, unless it was a movie about what the fuck I did after the fact. Yeah. What is it? When people take a bite of food, they always say, before even, I was gonna fry these pork chops. I still got them in the sink, thawing out. I'm like, okay, girl, you're doing overkill. But you know what? I'm gonna leave this alone, but I noticed guys know who to predators, narcissists, people like that. They know they have a certain type of female or male, if that's how you go. They have a certain type of person that they go after. It's like they're drawn to people that's been abused, you know what I'm saying? Sexually, physically, verbally, whatever. They're drawn to that type of person, and then they continue to do what this person has been through. I'm a survivor, so I know what I'm speaking on. It seems like I keep running to the same type man. Even if you get like, it's like every guy that I've ever dated, pretty much, because I've had some good ones, to me, but they just was like, weren't really ready because they in and out jail. That's what I mean. But other than that, I get hold to these guys, and it's like they want to continue to cycle with me. And then people say, I give up too easily. Duh. I've been through too much. And I started seeing it. Things not going like I want. I try to get away. I do. Yeah. I try to get away. Sometimes it takes longer than I be wanting to. But I always get away. The dude that I was dating before the guy was now was my friend for like over 20 years. Over 20 years. He had started out like kind of questioning me when we first started hanging out. I'm like, no, you know what I'm saying? So we were like brother, sister, that's my dog, Kids, family, everybody knew he was. We was just like close. But here we go. Down there 15 years later, get in contact. Why don't you give it a chance, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess up our friendship. But I was single, so I'm like, okay, that's my dog, so maybe he'll treat me like I need to be treated. Child, a month and a half into the relationship, the man tried to kill me. This was my friend. My friend strangled me, Tried to put my eyes out. Beat me on my forehead, my arm. And it's like we was in my car, in the front seat of my car. And he was like almost 6.5 feet. I'm a little shorty. I'm like 5'2". And I had just been in a car wreck. I had whiplash, and I had some problems with my back, shoulders, and stuff like that. But anyways, I had just left therapy this day. And I come home too early, which I was staying in a room. I had a room. I had roommates. And I have hot flashes, y'all. And I guess I came home too early. Or I didn't inform him that I was coming home to my place. And he got mad because I knew he was messing with the girl that stayed there. She was a bike page chick, So I guess that was exciting or whatever. But anyways, he gets mad, saying I'm trying to be slick or whatever. And he jumps on me in my car. Smothers my body, and like I said, he was strangling me, this, that, and the other. And I'm kicking on the windshield and blowing the horn. And he leaned down and whispered in my ear. He was like, bitch, if you don't put your motherfucking feet down and stop screaming, I'm going to squeeze tighter. And that's what he was doing. He was squeezing I guess they call this the jugular. He was squeezing tighter and tighter. I gave up. I couldn't fight him. I could not maneuver at all. So I gave up. So finally he let me go. And kidnapped me. And he was actually mad. And too, because my stepson had just been murdered. He was 17 years old. He was just murdered. And he was mad because I was referring to him as my stepson, which I was with his dad for over damn near 10 years. They were always at my house. Me and their mom had a good relationship. You know what I'm saying? Even when me and their dad broke up, their mom would keep me informed as to what's going on with their boys. You know what I'm saying? I mean, those were my babies. But yeah, so it was just like, that was, when I got away from him, baby. But it was the next day. I was able to get away the next day. I did. I moved out. My room went back home to my house, to my mom's house. And he was calling me and texting me and Facebooking me and all this, trying to apologize. He want his friend back. What friend? It's a wrap. You're dead to me. For real. And I'm not that type of person. But you, mister, young man, you're dead to me. Yeah. I ain't gonna even lie. If I seen him somewhere, he was on fire, I would not even spit on him. And I mean just what I said. I would not even spit on him. That was the worst. And then not only that, when I got away, he had, when I was at the funeral, my son's funeral, he texted me, called me or something. He get mad because I'm at the funeral. Talking about he owed somebody some money and they found out where he was and they threatened to kill him. So he stole my TV with my fire stick. That was my first fire stick. Give it to me by a friend of mine. Because I didn't know nothing about a fire stick. But anyway, yeah, so he would just inform me so I won't get all hysterical and call the police. I'm looking like, this motherfucker done stole my shit. But I'm like, fuck it. He said he was gone, so that's good. I'm going to sleep good tonight. The next morning, I get my grandson. And my daughter come to pick him up. So I told my roommate, don't let him in there because he tried to kill me. And I'm showing her my bruises and stuff. So while we in the kitchen, I'm getting ready to take my grandson out. He walks out of her bedroom and be like, come here, let me talk to you. I looked at that boy and I went right on out there though. I don't have nothing to say to you. And then you do it like that? Girl, I don't get that. Why would a guy rather be with a whore than a good woman, a faithful woman? I don't get that. But that's their business. I don't care. Getting to that point now, I don't care at all. And I gotta use another napkin. It's right in my mouth. I'm getting hot, cold now. Y'all can't put me on my eye. I'm 48, y'all. I just turned 48. January the 4th. I be hot and I be cold. I be hot and I be cold. Those who know me know that I'm always all over the place. I be talking about one thing, then I start talking about something else. Then I start talking about something else. But I'm good people. I don't trust easily anymore. Go figure. Some good people. Male or female. You know, a lot of people think I got money. People think I got money, y'all. I'm trying to get some. I have my dream car. I have my dream car. She's a beautiful car. But she's always broke down. And she's very expensive to fix. But people think I got money. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I don't even have a job. Like, I work for myself. I get out in the yard, under my tent, and I work there. You know what I'm saying? I don't mean it like that. I have a little company, Lil's Fashion and thing, where I sell new and used clothes, household items, personal hygiene items, shoes, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like a mini Walmart. A friend of mine said, "Oh, you got your little Maxway, huh?" You can call it that too. But yeah. And like I said, I work in the yard. I'm on a busy corner, a pretty busy corner. I do okay sometimes. Sometimes I don't do nothing. But yeah, I do that. I don't like. I sit out there under my tent with my little TV and my fire stick, and I chill. Right before dark, I pack my stuff up, go in. You know what I'm saying? My boyfriend doesn't like. I'm trying to think of an adult way to say it, but that's my boyfriend. My boyfriend don't like me to be out there when it gets dark. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can really see me at dark. You know, when it's nighttime, to know what's going on, somebody can come rob me or rape me, whatever. And I'm not trying to go through no more drama. I've been through enough. throughout my life. So, yeah. My mom called me one day, and I had been stressed out, depressed, because I suffer from depression. She don't understand it. She always say, read your Bible, go to church. That's not gonna stop nobody. And church folks probably some of the reason why I'm like I am now. But anyway, she called me yesterday. I'm sleeping. And she talked to me like 15 minutes and I'm asleep. I keep telling her I'm asleep. So finally she was like, well, you talking about your issues, something about your issues. She said, this is a new year. You need to talk about it. I want to know what. Baby, you don't want to hear it because you're going to be mad at yourself. You're going to leave that alone. Leave it alone, sweet Tim. I'm one of them old school people. I don't even think she really mean no harm. But just like my old man, I do. When they talk, they fussing. It sound like they fussing. They're very sarcastic. I grew up like I hated that. And then end up with somebody that talk like that. And then with him it's worse because he's family. Oh my God. Oh. I be looking like my eyes be red. I be red like That's out. Okay. One day he's gonna pop in. And we gonna be doing a video. I might have to edit it out. But y'all see how you talk. Yeah, I'm about full. Oh, I'll put my Slawdog onion. That's just good though, y'all. Yeah. You don't even think it's that. I don't like cold food. That's supposed to be hot. I'm getting cold. My mouth burn my mouth. Oh, I'm allergic to latex gloves. And then I use bleach all day, so I try to keep my skin moisturized, but I had on some latex gloves trying to clean the bathroom, and it broke me out. I did lotion my hands, but I washed them again before I sat down and eat. So that's why my hand looked like that. But I think I'm a fairly attractive woman, especially to be 48, baby. That part. But y'all, I grew up eating blue crab. I love seafood. When I was young, somebody come through playing what we used to call it booming music in their car. So we run to the window, trying to see who out there. Now, that shit irritating. What was I saying? Oh, I was talking about my seafood. But anyway, um, oh, me too. We used to eat crabs, just the blue crab. My mom getting crab, and we sit out there on the porch and be tearing them up, writing newspaper. And I still do that. I do that. I got a whole bunch of newspaper. You see me. I spread my newspaper out. All I gotta do to finish is roll that shit on up. But yeah. So you should eat crab. And I don't know if a lot of you people are probably younger that's on YouTube. Remember Otis Smith used to play. He started out at JU. He was a neighbor of mine. He stayed like 2 streets behind me. But anyway, he started out at JU. Then he played for the Orlando Magic. And I think after that he went to the Nuggets, Denver Nuggets. But anyway, me and his niece had become real close. And they had a crab boil. So she over there and they making that they dip. I'm like, dip? She's like, girl, yeah. So we eating crabs. I tried the dip. Oh, I was in love. So I had to go home and show my mom and them. They had potatoes and sausage and corn and neck bones and everything. I'm like, okay. Not something. I was about 14, 15 then. Went home. Told my mom about it. I made some one day. I'm fussing about her mayonnaise. She tasted it. She wasn't fussing no more. It was mayonnaise and ketchup and mustard. But as I got older, I started doing little stuff to it. Squeeze me a little lemon juice. Chop up me some, oh, I love onions. So put some garlic powder in there. Yep. But baby, I tried some snow crabs. That's my thing. I like snow crabs now. Until I tried the king crab. I still like snow crab, but I love the king crab. I love the king crab. And watching, I know the first time I seen Bloveslife video, her eating the king crabs or snow crab. I think it was king crab with the sauce, with her sauce. And I posted that video because I hadn't even really paid attention to the sauce. I'm watching the video and I don't post it on Facebook. Because somebody had posted, it was like some other type of group had posted it about the mukbang by people that I love to eat or something like that. What's the page? And one of the girls hit me up, one of my Facebook friends. Well, we grew up together too. She's a little older. Hit me up and she was like, she would ask me about the video about Beloved sauce. I said, well, let me find it, pull it up, and I'll show it, repost it. Or I'll inbox you. And then she hit me up. She done found it. She done went through it. She done found it. But anyway, so I'm checking her out. I said, oh, she got a page. Oh, she on YouTube. Okay. So I started checking the video out. And that sauce did look good. So one day, I had Mr. That's what I come up with for him, Mr. I had Mr. Because I love seafood. He pretty much get me what I want. But I wanted some snow crabs and some shrimp. So he went and got that. And my little fixings. I don't be caring about the fixings all the time, but you know. So I said, I told him to bring me some butter. Because I always use margarine. No, I had him to get me some butter from the crab place, you know, because I didn't want the garlic crabs. I just wanted some butter, and I was going to make my own. But then I'm like, I use this. That made me try to make some Beloved sauce. So I go to her YouTube video, and I didn't have the brown sugar. It was a couple of things I didn't have. So instead of brown sugar, I used a little bit of cinnamon and regular sugar. Mix it up and add different. That thing was good. But then I tried it the other day. Pretty much like she had. The only thing I think I was missing was the red pepper. No, I had red pepper. I had the chili powder. It was something the chicken broth. Now, I'm scared to try the chicken broth because that shit good like it is. Now, if I put the chicken broth in it, Jesus, oh my God. Yeah. B loves life. Bethany. Is it Bethany? No. I forgot. But anyway, baby, that sauce is. Mm. Now I want to try the sass sauce. I want to try the sass sauce, which is not sass sauce, but I want to try the sauce that sass uses. Because it looks so good. It do look good. It's green though. Well, it looks good. I might try that. Yeah. But love some. Baby. I know it's not your original sauce. You added your own touch to it. From somewhere you got it from. But baby, it's good. I never heard anything like that here in Florida. We pretty much use butter or mayonnaise. You know the mayonnaise. Yeah, but that there. And y'all taught me something else. You and Casey. Casey connector. Look, that putting your thing on your skillet to keep it warm. I don't have a skillet, but I do have a little hot plate, and I've been doing that, keeping my, because I hate when I don't like cold food. I just said that I don't like cold food, so I've been doing that with my crabs and my beloved sauce, keeping it warm. Oh God. And I see what you mean. You got to dig down in there and get to the look, let's say you got to dig in there and get to the bottom, baby. Yeah. I can talk to my Slawdog and I'm through. I can want this also, I overdid it. I'm be sleeping. I can do laundry. I'm be sleeping. I appreciate y'all for watching. I want to get my kids on here with me, and we do a mukbang together. My children are hilarious. I have my one daughter that wants to be ghetto, but she's not. She wasn't brought up like that. It'd be so funny. She thinks she's a gangster. She's 30 years old. That's my grandson's mother. And I have my son. He just like nonchalant. It's whatever. But he's very sarcastic. And I have my baby girl. She's the educated one. Is it raining? She's the educated one. And the diva of the bunch. She has a YouTube channel too, Carlicia Paris. Carlicia Paris. My baby used to model, but she's more focused school and work. But she just graduated, so she's working. But she's talking about going back to school because she wants to get her doctorate in medicine. I don't know. She used to say psychology because I have my little issues, but I think she wants to be in a surgeon or something. Because she used to like to watch those YouTube videos where they cutting open people in a surgeon. Then she was talking about being a mortician. I don't know what my baby want to do. But right now, she's working in the hospital with the surgeons, pretty much. Yeah. But my kids are a trip. And my grandson, oh my God. That little man. That little man. That's what I say. I say 85. No, 48. flawless. I'm a mess, y'all. I'm a mess. But yeah, again, I want to thank Bloveslife and KC Connector for making me want to do something like this. I love y'all vibe, y'all personality. I really do. And y'all laugh, both of y'all, KC and Beloved. Y'all laugh. It makes you laugh. It's just so funny. It's cute. Anyway, I can't eat no more. I can't finish my stuff. I'm talking to y'all death through this meal. Usually I have somebody to talk to. I be here by myself all the time. Watching y'all videos and trying to watch TV at the same time. I'm compulsive, y'all. But anyway, yeah. So, I just want to say thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all very much. There's no editing. It's gonna come like it is. What you see is what you get. Until I learn how to do all the editing. I need to get my eyebrows done. But I want to drive my van. And my car is broke down right now. He's trying to get it fixed. I could probably make it to the hair salon. I went to the, y'all could probably make it up the street to get my eyebrows done in my car. No, he just said the tire was flat because it's been sitting. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. This is Angel. I'm out. Hide my hand.